Mm.
May isang spoon na dyan ng kanin.
Saan ba sila
Mm.
nakatira?
Sa quarry, tita.
May bahay sila sa quarry pero may farm sila.
Ay, hindi. Yung asawa niya ata yung ano eh. Yung hindi taga La Trinidad ata. Hello everyone, good day. Today is my son's birthday. He's 5 years old. Today we're gonna go buy cake in Sunshine Grocery French Line. We're gonna choose cake. BBZ beer hot. Beer below zero snapback cup. So follow me, join me, and let's go choose my son's birthday cake. Let's go. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi. This is avocado. Going to Sunshine Grocery French Line. It's just probably 5 minutes slow walk from here. So it's very near. We're very near the town. This is Dama de Noche. It smells good at night. Look at those pine trees. They're so tall. This is, of course, sayote. Or chayote. Let's go. Mayra. Okay, 50% off. Coffee ko brown. Ma'am, isang Black Forest nga po. Yan po.
Kunin niyo ngayon, sir?
Opo. Okay, we're bringing home my son's birthday cake from French Line, Sunshine Grocery, Baguio. We're gonna be walking up. Oops. Oh, wait. Hello everyone, we're resting here in Allen in Camp Allen. It's the cake. We bought a little grocery from Sunshine Grocery. We're just resting here. It's windy. Welcome to Baguio Paparazzi.